Hello student. Today I discuss with you your accounts book, chapter 1, a fundamental of partnership. For the examinations point of view, that is a very important chapter for you. Fundamental of partnership, that means the basic criteria of the partnership. What do you mean by the partnership? What is the elements of the partnership? What is the requirements of the partnership? So first we are learn about the meaning of the partnership. What do you mean by the partnership? What is partnership? Actually, partnership is a relation between a persons. Partnership is a relations between the persons. Two and the more than the two persons when connected each other to the purpose of the starting business and the sharing the profits. That types of the considerations, that types of the agreement, that types of the settlements are called a partnership. Two and the more than the two persons when started business, that purpose have to sharing profits. That types of business are called partnership business. Hello. Today, when two or more than the two persons into an agreement for setting up business to run it and share the profit, it is termed as a partnership. When the two and more than the two persons, it is the must requirements. The two persons are involved in the business. Minimum two persons are involved in the business, and the maximum 20 persons, and the company according to the Partnership Act, minimum 2 persons and the maximum 20 persons. According to the Company Act, minimum 2 persons and the maximum 100 persons are involved in the business. The more than the 2 persons and 2 persons and the more than 2 persons have agreed to the share of the business profit. Share of the business profits are called partnership. According to the Partnership Act 1932, sections 4, according to the Partnership Act 1932, sections 4, when we consider what is a partnership, as per the Partnership Act, partnership is the relation between the persons. Partnership is a relation between the persons who have agreed to the share the profit of the business, and businesses carry on by all or any of the them acting for all. Any of the them and acting for all. That means the partnership is the relation between the persons. That's a Partnership Acts consider what is a partnership. The partnership is a relation between the persons who have agreed to share the profit. Who have agreed to the share the profit are persons who have relation. Which types of the relations? To sharing the profit of the business. Relations, basically, which types of the relations? To sharing of the profit in the business are called partnership. That means only not to the sharing of the profit of the business, that are of the business carried by all. Carried by all. बिजनेस को हर साझेदार के द्वारा चलाया जा सकता है. या तो सभी साझेदार मिलकर बिजनेस को चलाएं, या उनमें से कोई एक साझेदार इन सभी के बिहाफ में, इन सभी के जगहों पर मिलकर या उन सभी की सहमति से अपने बिजनेस को चलाए. दैट्स टाइप्स ऑफ द रिलेशंस आर कॉल्ड पार्टनरशिप. जस्ट लाइक वी कंसीडर A, B, C are partner. Just like we consider A, B's and C's are partner in the business form. A, B and C first of all have to agreement to continue a business. One. Second thing is A, B, C has agreement to sharing the profit. A, B, C has agreement to sharing the profit. Sharing the profit, that means A's, B's and C's cash is earned in the business. That's A, B and C's in share between appropriate ratios. Second thing is A's operate the business, B's operate the business and C's operate the business. Joint effort of A, B and C is the required to the operate the business. Otherwise, if the A considered C opened the business, A considered C operate the business behalf of A, B considers C operate the business behalf of B. Otherwise, A consider B and C's operate the business behalf of A. That the situations are called partnership. A बिजनेस को चलाए, B बिजनेस को चलाए या C बिजनेस को चलाए, कैसे? A और B के कंसर्न से, A और B के कंसर्न से अगर C बिजनेस चलाता है, नो प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज कॉल्ड पार्टनरशिप. A B C तीनों मिलकर बिजनेस को चलाए, नो प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज कॉल्ड द partnership. So that means a partnership business is the relations between the two and the more than the two persons who have agreed to the share the profit are called partnership. So students, today I discuss with you meaning of the partnership. Next videos, next class I discuss the features of the partnership and the other elements of the partnership. So goodbye.